screw sockets off of these two bits, and we're gonna. Oh fuck! Right, guys. So number 5, we've got.
And I'll put it on my sun visor. Not sun visor. What's it called? Sunshade. That's the one.
See, look, he's full of shit. Pretends he knows what he's doing. Look.
It's hard, this. We've only got 26 minutes left of recording time, just so you know. Shit. They're over there looking at an hot tub, pretending, living the dream, thinking they know what they're doing. Look, Keegan's noticed, look, there's Jesse, he's going to pop his head around the corner. Here he is, look.
We're stopping or what?
Yeah. Fucking pretending he knows what he's doing, though. Trying to use a fucking jet wash. And me and Keegan's just sat here laughing our heads off because he's like tripping over fucking everything. He's moving it about and still keeping hold at jet wash. The boy's got issues.
This guy's gonna get pissed wet too.
That's copyright, that.
Within a film.
Straight up. Live and everything.
Got about another 8-inch. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Big 8-inch, isn't it? There you go, that's it. 2 mil, right here. Trying to get his wiper off and Jack can't get it off either. What's happening to my car? What are you doing to it? That clutch slip though.
Oh mate, it's gone in.
Well, get some. Boys, it is a mess.